ha ka jingja ka bas ngausin ei Uwei khna Samla la sha tap em ha East Giant Hills kata hadien ba ka jingther labba ka balawan ra ya ka jingtwa Khyndew ha ka te ka chaka hne ka step kane ka jingja kala wanja ka yeng jong kongrati nong tudu ka bodon hadong Wailong Hapoh ka shnong Sutnga ka bahap apo wapung sin RD block bat uneu Samla udei bala ithu kerteng kum ohi nong tudu arp news nam karta Katkum ki khubor ki balalum na Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills u Abilash Baranwal lai thu bakakanro ka yeng kala khallam no namar ka jingtwa Khyndew ka balatep emyo teu khna Samla nakaliang di si lai thu bakani ka jingja kala ja hakapor san baje mastap katba mau pat ki wei ki dangyo thia ulai thu banakaliang ka kanhun jongkatna disaster response fund SDRF kilalap dien ya ka mediap jong teu khna Samla na ka chaka balatwa nakaliang Abilash Baranwal ulai thu ba kumuklidu ka district ulabtha iki officer bad kinpin kriano iki bahayeng teu khna sakawei ka jaka lani ki kwa ban lei bansa bad ki bahayeng bad ru bon supply ya ka bisa ka bolong saulak tingka ka ba sarkar kamang habadon kanu ka jingkhla jong ki brio na ka jingsha lengshop ha ka mai mariang kat hadu menta ompat bana bandon ki wei ki jingja ki bosngusi light no na ka jingja ha Wailong light no ki jishlai ha ka leng ki chaka jong ka chilla
so one person has died in Sutnga, Wailong, Shillong, and the reason is because one of the walls collapsed. It collapsed over him, and he got buried inside, and unfortunately, he succumbed. Around 5 a.m. this morning, who has been unfortunately demised. Everyone has been. Translavers are on their way to visit the family and take stock.
Okay.
As well as, they are already there, and we are providing all sorts of help. There's a house, the wall has collapsed, the house is not really livable at this moment.
Okay.
So we'll shift them. If they want to shift to a public building, that we can do. If they want to go to a relative space,
Okay.
that is up to them. So all sorts of help will be provided. Ex gratia relief will also be provided by today or tomorrow. As per the government norms, SDRF guidelines, it is 4 lakhs. Sutnga village, but Wapung block.
Habathin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai Khyndew bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya